Okay, so we're able to get the basic user details from the database using our class. So now we need to work on the profile page. Okay, so I'm gonna head there to profile.html, and we should have this nice profile page shown up. Okay, so this is what we have. We have this, and this is gonna be nice. Okay, so we can come to the profile and we get all the profile of the user. So we have first name Jennifer, all the stuffs. Okay, even though we're gonna get rid of some of it, okay, because we only need, I think, four or five. Okay, and we can come here to edit the profile, and we're also gonna display all those stuffs out. Okay, and we'll delete some of the stuffs that we don't need. Okay, so before we do anything, let's just clean this profile, the PHP. So head back to my code editor, and I'm gonna get there, profile dot. Okay, so I'm gonna save as Control Shift S. I'm gonna save it in the pages. Okay, should we save it in the page? Okay, let's just save it directly. Okay, and we save profile.php instead of HTML. Okay, so where we have our profile.php, back to the index page, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, so just copy, and in the profile.php, and okay, I know where to grab it from. Where we have the navigation, from the navigation. Okay, let's just paste it. Okay, lot of data, so I'm gonna paste it. Okay, so let's see what we have. Profile.php, let's head there, profile.php, and this is what we have. Okay, so we have this nice stuff, but we need to refactor some of the stuff that we don't need. Okay, so let's see. Probably we need to add some feeds to our database table. That's this user. Or no need for that, because this is a newspaper website, not a social media website. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of some of these stuffs. Okay, so back to the daily activities, where we have the daily activities, and let's see what we don't need. Okay, so we need all these stuffs. Okay, so I'm gonna come down to this panel body, where we have the start of it. I'm gonna look for the end of it, and don't worry about it, you don't need to refactor as I'm refactoring, because you're gonna grab everything in the course files. Okay, so let's save and see what we have for now. Refresh, and this is what we have. Okay, and profile info, I think I messed something up, so edit profile. Have messed something up. Anyways, you know what, let's just work with what we have. Okay, so back to the index page where we were instantiating the user. Where was it? Right here. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it and instantiate it right here. Okay, I'll just get rid of this. Okay, and probably this should be within. Okay, so we have this right here, and I'll get rid of this echo. Just get rid of it. Okay, so back to the index page, save, back to the profile.php, and where we have the username, the role. So I'll open my PHP tags, and I'm gonna echo user object underscore obj. Then we're gonna grab get role. So hopefully it works out. So let's come back, refresh, and I hope it works. Okay, so we get the role of an admin, which is here, and let's grab the name. So let's copy, paste that here, and the profile picture also. Let's paste it, and this is gonna be get profile pic, and this is gonna be get username, and I'll get rid of this one. Get rid of this also, and just need few datas, and this one also have to go, this has to go, this also have to go, and daily activities, this also have to go. Okay, so the first name, we're gonna also paste that, and then it's gonna give us the should grab the first name, last name, and no, we don't need that. Okay, so I'll just go with the username, get username, and this is gonna be username. Okay, so get rid of all these. Country, also get rid of that. In fact, I'll just get rid of each and every one of them. Okay, probably we'll come back to that later. And this form right here, this form, we need to get rid of this form. Okay, so I'm just gonna look for where the form ends, cut, and we're gonna put that form in a separate stuff that is gonna be user profile. But you know what, so I'll just leave the form there. Okay, so I'll just leave it, and we're gonna display the form based on a condition. Okay, so let's just save, and back to the front page, refresh. Okay, so we're grabbing the username, the admin, the biograph. Okay, so maybe later during the course we're gonna grab the email address and all the rest. Okay, I don't want to waste time in the user class. I want to head straight to the posting of the news feeds. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.